Hi there, welcome back. In this lesson, we will focus on modeling the palm of our character's hand. Let's dive right in. Now press Shift plus A to add a cube. We'll scale it along the z-axis by pressing S then Z and adjust to the desired size. Press 7 to switch to the top view. Now we will add some subdivision to the object by pressing Ctrl plus 1 to add one subdivision level. Once that's done, press Ctrl plus A to apply the subdivision, or you can manually apply it from the menu if you prefer. Press Tab to enter edit mode. Enable X-ray mode so we can better visualize the object geometry. It's time to start shaping the cube into the base structure of the palm. Press Ctrl plus R to add an edge loop. Once it's in place, scale it slightly using S, then move the vertices around to create the thumb area. Select the necessary vertices and then press GG to slide them along their edges, adjusting the proportions as needed to create a more natural palm shape. Continue tweaking the geometry until it looks aligned properly for the palm and the thumb base. Now press A to select the entire object and increase its depth by scaling along the z-axis using S then Z. Afterwards, press 7 again to return to the top view. Add 4 loop cuts by pressing Ctrl plus R. These cuts will define the placement of the fingers. With the edge loop cuts in place, adjust the vertices to create a rounder shape for the palm. Move the vertices upward to give the hands more definition. Continue refining until the shape of the palm is well formed and ready for the next step. Gently elevate the vertices to create additional depth and definition in the thumb and finger regions, ensuring a more anatomically accurate structure for the hands model. Switch to Edge Selection mode. Select the unnecessary edges, press X and choose Dissolve Edges to clean up the geometry. Now, in Face Selection mode, select the 4 faces where the fingers will be attached. Press S, Y and then 0 to flatten them along the Y-axis, ensuring a clean surface for extrusion later. Now shape the upper area by adjusting the vertices and creating a subtle curve for a smoother and more natural form. In Face Selection mode, select the face for each finger. Press I to insert the face. Switch to Normal Transform Orientation and move the inserted faces upward slightly. Repeat the process for each finger slot, carefully inserting and scaling the faces. This will form the base for the finger extrusion. Select the surrounding faces. Press I to insert additional faces. Use B for border selection if needed. Now switch to vertex selection mode. Now select the central vertex and press X to delete it. This will open up the thumb area, preparing it for extrusion. To smooth out the palm, right click and choose Smooth Vertices. Repeat this a couple of times for a cleaner result. Press 7 to check the top view. Rotate the palm slightly for better alignment and scale it where needed. Use the rotate and move tools while periodically checking the objects from different views. Lastly, enable X-ray mode again and make final positioning adjustments. To make the thumb opening smoother, select the loop by holding Alt, then right click and choose Smooth Vertices. You can further control the level of smoothing from the pop-up menu to achieve a more refined and smooth transition in the thumb area. Now that the palm is shaped, it's ready for the next stage, where we will be extruding the fingers. Ensure all the vertices and edges are smooth and aligned before moving on. Hi there, welcome to the lesson. In this lesson, we will be adding fingers to the palm. Okay, let's get started. First, select the middle finger. Press 3 for the side view. Enable the toggle X-ray. Press E, S to scale. Move it up just like this. S to scale, E to extrude, S to scale. Okay. Select this, G to move. Select this, press 1, press 3 for the side view, press E to extrude and S to scale. Okay. Press 7 for the top view and see how it looks. Now select it, go to the global and press G to move. Okay, select it, G to move. Okay, alright. Now select this face, press 3, G to move, scale it, just like this, S to scale, E to extrude, S to scale, just E, S to scale, just like this. Alright, press 7 for the top view and adjust it. Go to the edge selection and scale it. Alright, for this finger, this finger, press Ctrl 3, enable the toggle X-ray, press 3, E to extrude, S to scale, just like this, S to scale, E to extrude, S to scale, G and move it up just like this. Scale it, E to extrude, S to scale. Okay. Select this loop, G and move it just like this. Press 7. Select this, G to move. Select this, G to move, S to scale. Select it, S to scale. Okay, just like this. Okay, for this, select this face, press 3, press Ctrl 3 for the opposite side of the side view, hit E, S to scale, G, rotate it like this, enable the toggle X-ray, press 7, S to scale, press E again, S to scale, press 3 for the side view, G, S to scale. Select this loop, G, and move it, scale it down. Alright. Now for this, select this loop, press 7, E to extrude, S to scale, G to move, rotate it, E to extrude, S to scale, rotate it a bit, S to scale, E to extrude, S to scale, just like this. Okay. We have to increase the depth, so select it, S, Z, and scale it just like this. Select it, S, Z, and scale it. Okay, for this also S, Z, and move it up. Okay, press 7 for the top view. Go to the vertex selection mode, enable the toggle X-ray, and now select it, and we are going to adjust this area. Okay, make it circular like this. Okay, select it, try to adjust the area. Now select these two, press F to fill. Okay, select these two again, right click and subdivide. Okay, now select these 4 vertex, press F to fill, press F to fill. Similarly select it, press F to fill. Okay, press F to fill it just like this. Okay, select this loop, press 7, take it up, add a loop cut here, Ctrl R, S to scale, just like this. Okay, similarly add a loop cut, S to scale, just like this. Alright, press 7 and see how it looks. Okay, now select it, scale it down, select it, scale it down, S to scale, Add a loop cut here, Control R, S. Okay. Similarly select it, S to scale. Select it. Select this loop, S to scale. Select this loop, S, scale it. Enable the toggle X-ray, S to scale. Okay. Similarly, S to scale it. Take it, S to scale. We're making it cartoony, so select it and S to scale. Select this loop, S to scale. Okay. Here we are trying to make cartoony fingers where the tip is broader to give it a more appealing look. You know, there is a saying, if the eyes are the window to the soul, then the fingers are the tools of expression. We can express so many things with our fingers without saying a word. So shaping them just right adds a lot of personality to your model. Scale it. G and scale it down. Rotate it just like this, right? Now select it, S to scale. Select it, S scale. Rotate it, G. Will move along the Z axis, alright. S to scale. I will continue refining the fingers by scaling different sections and carefully aligning them until I am fully satisfied with the shape and proportions. It's all about tweaking the details to make sure the fingers look natural and expressive, giving the character an extra touch of charm and appeal. Now make it more rounder shape. Okay. Select this and move it up. Alright guys. Select this, S to scale, scale it down. Okay. Now add a loop cut here, Control R. Add another loop cut just like this. Similarly add loop cut here. Add another loop cut just like this, alright? Okay. Press 7. Control R, add a loop cut. Control R, add a loop cut here. Similarly, add loop cut just like this. Control Z, Control R. Just like this, okay? Add a loop cut here. So we'll add another loop cut here too, and one here. Okay, this will help you in blending, so this is very important to add. We have added all the necessary cards, allowing you to later add bones to the character for rigging and animation. Remember, proper edge flow and good topology are crucial for smooth transition. Once the topology looks correct, we can tweak the vertices to shape the fingers according to your preferred style, ensuring both aesthetics and functionality for future movement. Now select this part edges. Okay, these edges. Press X and dissolve the edges. Okay, it will make it rounder shape. Now select this right click and choose smooth vertices. Okay, right click, smooth vertices. Press E, S to scale, right click, smooth vertices. Press 7, E, S to scale. Okay, S, Z to scale along the Z axis. Okay, for this also S, Z to scale along the Z axis. Okay, the 7, let's see how it looks. Okay, I think you did a great job, right? Alright, now add a loop cut here, Control R. Okay, now select this and make it up, create a more depth. Okay, rotate it just like this. Okay, alright,